Hello guys, ever wondered how your ANC buds actually work? Then this video is for you. Welcome back to EP2 of Figuring Out Tech. The tech behind your ANC buds is actually very simple. At the outer edge of your earbuds, there is a tiny mic that captures the external noise. This noise will be transferred to your ANC chip, generates back a signal of same amplitude but of opposite phase. As of the noise back, this signal will be sent to differential amplifier. The differential amplifier subtracts the both signals and the result is absolute silence. If you want to know whether your device is true ANC or not, then check the pinned comment.